Hey traders, welcome to Fearless Trading Tips. Today, we're diving into the volume indicator, the powerhouse that reveals the real force behind price moves. Let's get fearless and unlock its secrets. The volume indicator tracks the number of shares or contracts traded in a period. It's like the engine under the hood of price action. High volume screams market interest. Buyers and sellers are fired up. Low volume? That's hesitation, like the market's whispering, not sure yet. Remember, volume shows conviction. Without it, price moves can fizzle out fast. First up, trend strength. Spot a rising price with skyrocketing volume? That's a strong uptrend. The bulls are charging. Falling prices with high volume mean bears are in control. But if prices climb on low volume, beware, it might be a weak fakeout. Always check if volume backs the trend for that fearless entry. Next, reversals. Watch for volume spikes without much price movement. That's exhaustion. The trend might be about to flip. It's like the market's gasping for air before turning around. Spot this, and you could catch the reversal early. Breakouts love volume too. A real breakout blasts through resistance with massive volume. Low volume breakouts? Often traps. Wait for that volume confirmation to go all in fearlessly. Pro tip, pair volume with RSI, moving averages, or MACD for killer signals. If volume doesn't match price action, sit tight. When it aligns, that's your green light. Trade without fear. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your favorite volume strategy? Stay fearless out there.